probably should have done my intro before I dug a couple holes. I'm very tired now. I have to mulch my tomatoes and plant a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys that. So, I got a lot of planning done yesterday. Um, I'm going to show you around at everything we got planted, and I'm thinking this evening my dad and I are going to come out and finish the last little bit of plants. We've got the green beans and cucumber to put on the trellises, and I still have to put my cherry tomato in, and I'm going to record doing the cherry tomato. I've already done the big tomatoes, as you saw, but I want to record doing putting in the cherry tomato so I can show you guys how I do that. I pretty much just follow Roots and Refuge's guide for planting tomatoes because she's amazing at it. So that will be a video coming up for you guys in just a couple days. So I'm gonna wrap this up here. I'm gonna wrap this up with showing you guys what I planted yesterday. Let's do it. So over here we have the watermelons. I have 3 starts. Watermelon. Next to that are the cantaloupe. Here we have the zucchini and the yellow squash. Everything's looking a little droopy because it is the hottest part of the day right now. Yellow squash. Then over here, these first 2 are jalapeno, and these first 4 are jalapeno. And then we've got mini bell peppers all the way down. And over here, okra. Then we're gonna do the green beans on that one and the trellis in the back. I'm gonna do the cucumbers. And I think the cherry tomato is gonna go in the corner of this trellis here. And then that patch back there is gonna be potatoes. We've got our big beef tomatoes for sandwiches and things, and for canning. Here are our green onions and big onions. We've got Walla Walla, and we also have a line of garlic. Here is radishes, carrots. Nothing is sprouted yet. And then here we have 2 lines, one of lettuce and one of spinach. So I'm gonna head inside because it's hot. I'm not planting in this heat. Let me know what you guys think of my beautiful garden. I think it's gorgeous, but yeah, to each their own. It's coming together quite nicely.